In our tradition, we forget about trying to fix the world there on the outside. This is not the first place where to look at. The first place to look at is here. If you wait that somebody changes something, that you finally become happy, you wait until the end of days. It's not gonna happen. So if there is something to take into your responsibility, to take in your hands, first of all, it is your body should listen to you. You tell your body to stay, the body stays. You tell your body go lower, body go lower. You tell kick higher, kick higher. You tell punch harder, punch harder. You tell remain open, remain open. Your body should become your best friend. It should not become your best enemy. Because your body is something that you are able to use in this lifetime. It's rented. Your body is rented. It's rented from the earth.